Welcome to this spacious corner lot house at Jalan TR2 Tropicana Golf and Country Resort. The land area is 5,306 square feet. The house has 8 rooms and 4 bathrooms. Come check this house. And the best part about this house, it is facing a small park. You and your family can have a quality time relaxing and exercising in front of this place. And the kitchen has already been fully extended, creating a huge internal space for your family to chill out in this area. Isn't this house stunning? Give me a call and I look forward to show you this beautiful, spacious house.